Good morning to our distinguished speakers, valued clients, LG InnoFest family. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Emcee Jason, your host for today, and it is my esteemed honor to welcome you all to our grand event, the LG Commercial Laundry InnoFest Conference 2019. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to thank everyone for traveling from such a distance, despite your busy schedule, to visit this island, Sabah, the land below the wind, which I am proud to call my hometown. Before we begin, please enjoy this video presentation brought to you by the LG H&A Headquarters. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, the story of LG, standing on the belief that life can indeed be good for consumers worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, before I invite our keynote speaker, allow me to share a quote by Adam Newman. People are the most important thing. Business model and product will follow if you have the right people. Ladies and gentlemen, your presence here today and the milestones of what LG has achieved are proof that this statement, as you are the backbone of this extraordinary brand. As we look forward to an innovative future, I would like to invite an inspiring leader that will continue to strive for excellence, taking brand to the next level and conquering the world of LG commercial industry. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to cordially invite the professional of laundry who will freshly lead the LG Commercial Laundry. Please welcome the Vice President from the Living Appliance B2B Business Leader, Mr. Bruce Chan. So give a round of applause once more time for Mr. Bruce Chan. Thank you, Bruce, for guiding us with this amazing speech, by the way. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to begin the LG InnoFest Conference, we will start the first session with the activities in 2018 review, as well as the product and marketing plan for the year 2019 by the Living Appliance B2B sales team, led by team leader Jerry Paul. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you for the insightful presentation and introduction of the team behind a part of the growth of LG.